Okay. Sorry guys about earlier. I had some technical problems. Please guys, one moment, confirm me to the chat that you can hear me and that everything is okay before I will start this this session. And as I've said earlier, here is the disclaimer. Please read it, and then we'll continue. And I will take a look on British pound versus the US dollar. Okay, so please guys, everything fine? Okay, thank you. Thanks. Thank you guys. Okay, so yeah, as I've said earlier, unfortunately we had no sound earlier. So I've talked about the PPI worse than expected, core PPI worse than expected, unemployment claims. It was reported better than expected, but unfortunately it has increased. This indicator came in above 248,000 in the previous reporting period. Okay, so I will close this window, and yeah, so British pound US dollar, as I said. Thank you guys, and also don't forget that you can ask questions. I'm here to if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you're looking at. Also please tell me your time frame, okay, because it's really important, because I will take a look on the same time frame. If you are long, if you are short, if you want to go long, if you want to go short, I will take a look as well, and I will share my opinion if you want my opinion. And please tell me what you are looking at before I will take a look on a specific market. And please ask questions, guys. I'm waiting for messages, because personally I don't want to talk only about I don't know, 2-3 markets. Can we have look at Nasdaq 100, so US 100? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Actually, I will take a look on maybe this will be a quick session, quick session, but I will take a look on maybe on all markets. So British pound US dollar, this is my setup for the VIP members. I've shared this setup earlier. What long-term gold positions do you think in the upcoming days and week? My time frame is no, your not your time zone, okay, your time frame. Okay. Can you please look into Euro USD also? Yeah, so what you are looking at in US Euro versus US dollar, Ali. So this is British pound US dollar. As I've said into the VIP group, I will talk about my thought process here right now during this live session. So this is the setup. And personally, I've shared the setup, my trade, my levels into the VIP group. And if you are a free member, you don't have my levels here. You don't have my exact levels here, unfortunately. And also, I will not update the free group about this trade. So in the short term, or actually, let's start with the dollar index, because today I've said that maybe I will. Because I've said today that I will look for potential USD long, shorts, for US dollar shorts. I will look for potential setups to sell the US dollar after sell off. Okay, after the US inflation data rebound. Sell off. Right now it has found support here maybe, and it has increased a little. It has rebounded to retest 105 psychological level, 104.92, and staying below this broken demand zone. A new lower low could signal potential deeper drop. So right now the bias is still bearish. After its failure to stabilize above the pivot point, after its failure to stay maybe here above this area, sell off, retest, sell off, and the new lower low could signal potential deeper drop, and the potential downside continuation here on the dollar index could force the on the dollar index could force the US dollar to depreciate versus its rival. So that's why personally I wanted to go long here on the British pound versus the US dollar. This is the setup right now. It's far from being confirmed because and I will tell you why I didn't place the buy stop here above this level, above the R1, because please take a look here, only false breakout, and personally I didn't wanted that false breakout here to invalidate my setup, to invalidate a potential upside continuation. So my setup is still valid. I will still keep my my pending order, my buy stop into the VIP group, and I don't know, it remains to see a new higher high here. That's why personally I decided to place my entry, to have a higher entry here on this market, because I really need confirmation. I want the price to jump and stabilize above the R1 to make a new higher high, to confirm a potential upside continuation. Of course, if the dollar index will resume its sell-off, right? So this is the setup, this is the thought process, this is the rationale, and I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group, of course, if the rate reaches my entry. Okay, DXY again, I will take a look. So copy trade on A cap starts automatically. Okay, what happens when you edit a stop loss or sold 75% on your side before or after trade started? So everything will be copied in your account as well. If I'm moving my stop loss, if I'm managing my trade or something, if we are managing our trades or something, that's why it's copy trading. Okay, so you will not have only an entry, stop loss, or take profit. Everything will be copied in your account as well. Sparta, MTB Sparta. Okay. But if you have maybe more questions or something about copy trading, you can also send an email to support, and I don't know, maybe there are members who want to join maybe this service or something. So I'm sharing a link if you want I don't know, to use this copy trading. I've shared the link, and yeah. So gold 30 minutes sell off. Let's take a look. 30 minutes sell off. Yeah, sell off. Only because the dollar index rebounded. I've told you that the dollar index rebounded, and it could try to retest the broken support area. So right now a sell off. I've said earlier today in that video analysis, I've talked about gold, and I've said that I would like to see here consolidation, accumulation above 1,794, above the R1, before extending its growth. Okay, so right now maybe this scenario will be invalidated, but as I've said, guys, I need confirmation. I would have liked the price to stay here, to retest the broken area before extending its growth towards the rising wedge's resistance. Sir, I created the account with your link and I have mailed it, but no response. Please be patient. Because we are trying to improve this support service, and everything will be really good in the upcoming period. But right now there are I don't know, thousands of messages, emails, and the support team needs to process every message, every issue or something. So that's why there right now we have a delay. Personally, I'm not working as a support agent, so if you have questions for support, please send an email to support, and please be patient. The support team will come back to you and they will sort you out. Okay, I have resubscribed, but my VIP link says that it has expired. I have mail support, but I haven't received response so far. Charles as well. Please be patient. They will come back to you, as I've said, and in the upcoming weeks, this support service will be improved. Okay, because we are working really hard on this. And thank you guys, thanks for understanding. So gold sell off right now. It remains to see personally, I've talked about this pattern. Sir, where are you from? Where are you from? Kumar. It's not important. What is important is that I'm here for you guys. I'm trying to share some my experience, and I'm here to share my trades, my thought process. I'm here to help you maybe to become better traders, or I will also help you to identify, I don't know, great setups or something. I'm here to look for high probability trades. Yeah, so this is my job. It doesn't matter if I'm from, I don't know, Canada, or from India, or from, I don't know, China. Yeah, so gold, as long as it stays above this uptrend line, the bias is bullish. Okay, and maybe this also this retreat could help us to identify new long opportunities, because I don't know, maybe testing retesting here, coming back to test retest here, could bring us a new bullish momentum. But right now it's premature to go long. Personally, I don't want to sell it here. Maybe we had something on lower time frames. Yeah, after this failure to make, but no, right now I don't want to sell it here, even if the price will come back towards this, maybe this conference area. So we have here static support levels, and also the uptrend line. So please teach how to grow account. Actually, on 1 hour chart, what? One moment, I will take a look on all messages. Rahman, actually one chart. What? So what you think about Euro USD? I have long running since 1.02. Should I leave it? MTB Sparta, sir, what about GBP Australian dollar? It is going up soon after touching for our support. I will take a look on that market as well. So about gold right now, confluence area, and personally maybe I would like the price to hit it, to retest it, and then boom. Okay, but right now no, I don't want to do anything. Maybe I've said that maybe on lower time frames, but no, I don't want to open or to place a trade right now in gold. Okay, it could come back down to retest the support levels before jumping higher. Okay, one moment. Yeah, I will take a look on the news terminal. Because I don't know, something happened. It seems that something happened. Sell stop, 1 hour chart. Yeah, Euro GPI, but on daily time frame gold is in downtrend. What you think? Yeah, so yeah, on that's why I've said that the price action developed here a potential bearish pattern. I talked about this. I've talked about this rising wedge pattern in gold, but you can see here that it has, as long as it stays maybe above these former lows here. Stanley, how to know gold direction? Which indicator can be used? You can use it's not important to use my indicators. Okay, it's not important. Maybe you will be a successful trader using Elliott wave, or using GAN, or I don't know, only Fibonacci, only price action, only I don't know, RSI, stochastic, or pivot points, or I don't know. You can use whatever you want. It's not this is not important, because in my opinion maybe all the tools could indicate the same direction. if you know how to use them. But you know, if you are using Elliott Wave, if you are using Pitchfork, if you are using price action, and what is really important, maybe you can use more than one tool, approach or something, or strategy, and to trade based on confluence trading. Okay, you can visit our YouTube channel, and personally I have I've published a tutorial talking about confluence trading, or how to identify potential setups and trades using confluence trading, using more than one tool, strategies, indicators. Yeah, so gold rising wedge, but in my opinion right now it's premature to talk about a sell-off. I want a valid breakdown below I want a valid breakdown, maybe here, valid breakdown also below 1700 1780 or something, but right now it's premature, as I've said, guys. And yeah, medium to the long term, yeah, downtrend. Okay, but I talked about this immediate downtrend line in a previous maybe webinar, and you can see that it has managed to make a new higher high, to stabilize above it. Right now, yeah, it has reached resistance. It has failed here to stabilize above 1794. Yeah, okay. So, but right now it's premature. I want strong confirmation before going short here. One moment, and I will take a look on my news terminal. Goldman Sachs, crude oil demand is rising from here. No, nothing on my news terminal. Something like a breaking news or something. Yeah, so this could be also maybe technically or something. So let's go back. So Euro USD, I will try to answer to all your questions. If we break down this uptrend line, Blaze, if we break down this uptrend line, so if the price of gold drops below that, let's go back. So if the price drops below it, I don't know, it could still find support here. Okay, so that's why I need confirmation, and confirmation, I will get confirmation if the price, I don't know, drops, retest here, and if it makes maybe a new lower low, something like this. Okay, because staying here and registering only false breakdowns, it could signal a bullish momentum again. And also, I don't know, dropping below the uptrend line, registering an aggressive sell-off, right? But it could still turn to the upside, and it could resume its growth or something, right? So right now, you can do whatever you want, but personally, no, I don't want to do anything right above the uptrend line in gold. Euro USD. Is there any chance for gold to fall down? Blaze. So yeah, anything could happen, but as I said, so Euro USD sell-off, rebound. It seems that we have a strong resistance and a strong supply zone here around these former lows. So yeah, sell off here, and in my opinion also here Euro USD only a valid breakout, a new higher high could signal an upside continuation. Okay, but right now I don't want to sell it here, because after escaping from this range, extended range here, okay, aggressive breakout, retreat, retest, rally, and yeah, maybe I'll wait to see a new higher high could signal potential further growth. Okay, as I've said, please teach how to grow account. So Stanley, are you a VIP member? If you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us. Okay, because I don't know, becoming a VIP member, you will have access to all our content, VIP content, trades, management, and yeah, it's very important to have access to, yeah, okay, Stanley. So it's important to watch all our videos, to join our live sessions, webinars, because you know, maybe you can learn a lot from our videos, from our webinars, from our analysis. You can learn a lot. Okay. So and maybe in time, Stanley, if you're a beginner, maybe in I know, in the future you will become a successful trader. I don't know, but yeah, you can learn a lot from our VIP content. Okay. So what do you think about Euro USD? I have long running since 1.02. Yeah, so 1.02. Yeah, from here. Yeah, you are in strong and deep profit actually. And as I've said, a new higher high could signal potential further growth. Okay. Okay. I talked about gold. Euro USD. Gold. Yeah. You are interested in gold. Sir, what about British pound Australian dollar? British pound Australian dollar. It is going up soon after touching 4-hour support. Let's take a look on 4-hour. 4-hour support. Actually, it has dropped below 1.7174 and retesting it, staying below it. Even if it maybe the price could, we cannot exclude I don't know, a larger rebound here. Despite the temporary rebound, coming back here and stabilizing below 1.7174 could signal potential deeper drop. So right now is strongly bearish, and also here, after its failure to come back higher towards these former highs, it had signaled the strong downside pressure, and right now breakdown. And as I've said, stabilizing here could signal potential deeper drop, because right now, no, I don't want to buy. Yeah, because yeah, in theory, I don't know, when the price reaches support, you can buy it. Yeah, but the price the price is not moving, only sideways in a range. Okay, so that's why the price reached support here. Okay, but the price could be taken out, and then you know, maybe the currency pair will resume its sell-off, and that's why taking out this support, closing, stabilizing, testing, retesting this level could signal and could confirm its breakdown, and then could signal potential deeper drop. Okay, so here I don't know, only a false breakdown with, I don't know, great separation or a strong bullish engulfing, yeah, could signal that maybe the downside movement ended here. Could signal that maybe we'll have only a false breakdown, and then we can look for potential rebounds for new long opportunities. But right now I don't have any signal that maybe the price could turn to the upside. Okay, that's why I want to see here confirmation, the price to confirm its breakdown or to invalidate its breakdown. Okay, to print I don't know, a strong bullish candle, bullish engulfing, to invalidate this breakdown. What? Hi, I am VIP member for Signal. How to access VIP Signal group? Ahmed, if you are a VIP member, I believe that you are already in that group, right? I believe that you are already in that group. Okay. So personally, I'm still keeping that pending order in British pound versus the US dollar. So Ahmed, how about Canadian dollar Japanese? Seems like support at 103.21. Do you think it will break? Yeah, let's take a look on that market. Let's talk about because I talked about the dollar index. Yeah, strong rebound. Also here, support zone. Okay, support zone, demand area, and let's wait to see how it will react here, because yeah, failing to make a new lower low, failing to stay below this demand zone, you could see a potential larger rebound. But right now, Orlando US 100 trades. Yeah, Orlando US 100 trade. Yeah, Orlando will come back with his management. So it's not my trade. I will not talk about the thought process. I will not talk about the rationale behind that trade. It's Orlando's setup trade. So he will come back with his update, with his thought process, rationale or something, with his management. Okay. Okay. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So how about, seems like, is there a Harry Clifford working with you at Learn to Trade? No. Is this a spam message or something? Is it Learn to Trade VIP? What? Please send an email to support. They will sort you out. I don't know if you are in the Learn to Trade VIP group, if you are in the swing trading group, if you are in the crypto VIP group or something. Yeah, Ahmed, I don't know. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, 103.21. 103.21. So yeah, let's use, it has failed to retest this key level, 102.95. So yeah, it has failed to stabilize below the pivot point, and right now it has rebounded. But personally, I don't want to do anything right now. US trade seems what? US trade slowly. So personally, I've shared my setup, a pending order. Okay, if it continues to drop, yeah, I will delete my pending order. But right now, that setup is still good, is still valid. That's why I've placed an entry above those immediate highs, because I've expected potential false breakouts. Okay. Yeah. US 100, I think it is a good one. It remains to see. Okay, it remains to see. Orlando will come back with his management. So about Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, do you think it will break 104.24? 104.26. Yeah, I don't know. Let's take a look on yen basket. So it seems that you are looking for Japanese yen shorts. Okay, Japanese yen shorts, yen basket. I don't know. It remains to see how the yen basket maybe will react here. 78.83 uptrend line. Okay, it remains to see. A breakdown here and deeper drop could signal that the Japanese yen will lose more ground, will depreciate versus its rivals, and this scenario, yeah, will bring a breakout here. Okay, but I don't know. It remains to see how it will react. Ahmed, this GBPUSD triggered? No. No. I've talked about that market a lot. I've said that that setup is far from being confirmed, so I'll wait. Okay, British pound, Japanese yen. Let's take a look on Japanese yen pairs. On Japanese yen pairs. No, I don't want to trade something like this sideways movement. No, sorry about that. No, I don't have something. Euro Japanese yen. I believe that someone asked me about Euro Japanese yen earlier. Yeah, Rahman, Euro Japanese, if you are still here, Euro Japanese yen sell stop 1 hour chart. Sell stop. Where do you want to place your sell stop? Euro Japanese yen. It has reached these former lows as resistance levels, but here Euro Japanese yen, guys, technically after registering this I don't know, false breakdown, maybe right now it could signal a potential upside breakout and continuation, of course, if the yen basket will drop deeper. Okay, Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen, but here we have resistance. Actually, we had resistance. Yeah, maybe something like this. These former lows. Can we have a look at US 100, the drop that happened now? Yeah, we can take a look on that on US 100. US 100, yeah, sell off on US 100, but 13,368 as support, as former high, key level, resistance, only false breakout here, and right now yeah, it has dropped, maybe in my opinion, because the dollar index rebounded. As you already know, I'm using this this correlation. It's not a perfect correlation, a negative correlation between the dollar index and the US equities, but when the dollar index grows, okay, let's take a look here, rally, rebound, the US equities could drop. US 100, US 30 sell off, US 500 sell off. Okay, it's not a perfect correlation, but personally, at least when the dollar index rallies, or when the dollar index, or when I'm expecting the dollar index to grow, to increase, to jump higher, maybe I don't want to go long on US equities. Okay, this is my strategy, this is my approach. Okay, And but as I've said earlier, I talked about the dollar index earlier, and I've said that stabilizing below 105 psychological level, 104.92, could still signal a potential deeper drop. So right now, yeah, it has jumped above 105 psychological level, but it could still invalidate this breakout above this key level. Okay, we are here on 15 minutes, but here this 1 hour 1 hour candle will be closed in 29 minutes. Okay, and the price or actually this candle could still be closed at below these levels. Okay, and then the dollar index to drop. Okay, sorry guys, I'm a little tired. Hi, thank you. I learned a lot from you. If there is way to teach us how to focus in one currency anytime you like, even record one, appreciate it. Maestro Magazine, thank you as well. Thank you. So how to focus in one currency anytime. So yeah, as you already know, I don't know, Maestro Magazine, are you a VIP member? Because if you're a VIP member and I don't know, maybe you are new here in a free group or VIP group, but as always, we are looking, if you want to focus on one currency, let's say US dollar, then you should keep an eye on the dollar index to make your own analysis, to identify potential movements, potential direction on the dollar index, and then you can trade the US dollar. Okay, and when the dollar index drops, the US dollar could depreciate versus the other major currencies. Okay, you have to be careful if you are trading US dollar, Japanese yen, because also the yen basket could have a big impact on US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and not only the dollar index. But I don't know, if you want to trade Euro USD, let's take a look. Okay, Euro USD. You can start maybe with dollar index and Euro USD. Okay, and let's add here DXY, dollar index, dollar index. Sorry, one moment, because I will DXY, same scale. What? No. Yeah, something like this. Okay. No. So this is the Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, and here is the dollar index. And as I said, when the dollar index drops, Euro USD could grow. Okay, and we have a strong negative correlation between Euro USD and the dollar index. Okay, so you can use it in trading. So something like this. Okay, the dollar index dropped and Euro USD rallied. So as I've said, you'll have to keep an eye on the dollar index if you want to trade the US dollar. Or let's take a look here in basket. Also, if you want to focus only on the Japanese yen, when the yen basket drops, the Japanese yen could depreciate. Okay, and when the yen basket index grows, the Japanese yen could appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so you can use these correlations. you can go to our YouTube channel, and you can learn much more about correlations, because personally I've sorry, I've recorded and published trading tutorial talking about how to use correlations in trading. Please guys, if you have more questions. So personally I'm still keeping that pending order. Also let's take a look. Orlando's trade in US 100 is in profit right now. So it's important guys, even if the price turns against you a little after reaching your entry, that's why we are placing a stop loss. That's why it's really important to place a stop loss. Yeah, and as you already know, personally I'm risking only 1% per trade. Okay, so I know right from the beginning that if the price reaches my stop loss, then it seems that maybe that setup will be invalidated, and yeah, it's fine. It reaches my stop loss, 1% loss, and I will recover that loss on other trades. So even if the price turns against us, turns against me or something after reaching my entry or something, or Orlando's entry, yeah, it's fine. Okay, because that's why we have a stop loss, and that's why we I don't know, we hide our stop losses below important levels, key levels. Yeah, so Orlando's trade is in profit, is good. Okay, please guys, don't forget to like this video as well. Bitcoin. So about Bitcoin, it has failed to come back towards the uptrend line, signaling strong upside pressure. Right now it has jumped above 24,280 and also above this key level here. And maybe after its rally, strong rally, retreat is natural, but it could only maybe retest the R2, this key level, before trying to resume its growth. So technically, the price of Bitcoin could still resume its growth in the short term. Okay, Ethereum. Same here. After its strong rally, we cannot exclude a temporary retreat, sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation before jumping higher. Okay, thank you guys. If you don't have maybe more questions, I will end this webinar here right now, because I don't know, I was live here for almost 1 hour. So thank you guys, don't forget to like this video. See you next time, and I will come back with my updates, with my management, if the British pound versus US dollar will hit my entry. Okay, that setup is still good, is still valid. Thank you guys, bye bye.